Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong article sa Manila Times written by John C. Kua, June 11, 2025. Title: Senate Slammed for Act of Treachery on Unconstitutional Decision versus Sara Impeach Complaint. Okay. Ito yung mga reaksyon ng mga anti-Duterte forces, lalo na itong Magdalo grupo ni ex-Senator Trillanes and Representative Gary Alejano ng Magdalo. Mga PMAers pa naman tong dalawa. So, kikita, it's a battle of PMAers. Si Senator Bato, siyang nanguna doon sa pag-file ng motion to dismiss the impeachment complaint na nagbunga ng yung decision na ibalik back to sender ang impeachment complaint, and it's a victory. Ngayon, hindi matanggap ang pagkatalo, kaya hanggang reklamo na lang sila. Masama itong si Trillanes, nananawagan ng mga tao, go people power na kuno, march in the streets and social media, magpakita ng kapangyarihan ng taong bayan. Sige, go lang. Basahin natin ha. The decision of the Senate sitting as an impeachment court to remand or ibalik the impeachment complaint against VP Sara to the House of Representatives as constitutionally troubling, without legal basis, and a big treacherous act against the people, according to groups and individuals who monitor the proceedings on Tuesday. Ang rason din ng mga bumoto, yung 18 senators, unconstitutional yung complaint mismo. So puros unconstitutional. Okay, ito na. Magdalo Representative Gary Alejano, who was among the original petitioners of the impeachment complaint, said the ruling of the senator judges was not only procedurally questionable but constitutionally troubling. Sabi niya, the Senate and the House are co-equal branches in our bicameral Congress. The House has already fulfilled its constitutional mandate by transmitting the verified impeachment complaint. The matter is now squarely within the Senate's jurisdiction to hear, try, and decide. Sabi niya, to send the complaint back is, in effect, passing the ball when it is no longer theirs to play. It undermines the integrity of the process and raises the dangerous precedent that a co-equal chamber can dictate or delay the work of another. Yan ang sabi ni Alejano. Hindi ba nila mabuti pa itong si Senator Bato kahit hindi abogado? Ang daming bumibilib kay Bato ngayon dahil well-researched siya eh. Talagang may legal foundation siya na may defect yung complaint mismo kasi nga hindi sinunod yung 1-year bar rule. 3 complaint nung December, hindi inaksyonan. Tapos pang-apat na complaint nung February. Ano ba yan? Very clear sa Constitution na dapat isang impeachment complaint lang. Kaya nga yung mga senator judges, 18 ang bumoto na ibalik. So alin ang mas tama? Yung 5 na kumontra? Tinawag na ngayon na Voltes 5? Yung 5 o yung 18? Demokrasya tayo, majority rules. So, itong mga taong ito, Alejano, sino pa? Dilima. Yan, Dilima, sabi rin niya, we have just witnessed proceedings without boundaries, while the Constitution, the law, and the rules burn. By remanding the impeachment complaint to the House, the Senate simply made things opposite go along without care for either constitutionality or propriety. Since the filing of the articles of impeachment last February, the Senate President already discarded the Constitution, blah blah blah. Hanggang ganyan na lang, blah 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 blah. It's a collegial body. Ang Senado, Hindi po, Senate President lang. Isang boto lang siya. Ang Senado, 23. Ang nagdesisyon, 18, bakit hindi nyo matanggap? Kaya reklamo kayo ng reklamo. Ito na, si Trillanes. Former Senator Antonio Trillanes IV called on the people. Oh, yan na, the people power. Called on the people to push the Senate in continuing the impeachment trial to hold Sara accountable for her crimes. Oh. Sabi niya, we also need to get involved in the upcoming street protest. Street protest. Bring it on. Sige. Can you assemble 1 million? Kaya nyo bang tapatan ang 3 million ng iglesia nung nagrally sila na awag ituloy ang impeachment? Oh, go on. Sigurado lang kung anong ipangako sa mga magrally, ibigay nyo. Kawawa sila. We also need to get involved in the upcoming street protest and raise our voices on social media. Let's make our feelings known to the senators, he said in Filipino. Oh, kaya kami rin, tayo mga kaibigan sa social media, mag-ingay din tayo. Mag-comment kayo. Ipakita ang suporta natin sa Magic 18 na tama ang kanilang desisyon. Dapat sundin ang konstitusyon. Dapat may due process. Hindi yung patakataka na lang dyan na file ng file, hindi inaksyonan mamaya pag nakaisip. Pang-apat na. Kaya napakaganda itong desisyon na ito ng Senado. Saludo ako sa 18 senators na ito. Meron ding ito, August 21 movement or ATOM. Also called the senator judge's decision as a big treacherous act against the people for allegedly violating the Constitution for several months after a simple fourth tweet became a record slowest. So, ganyan lang. Yeah, Akbayan. Yan din. In a statement, Akbayan, Party List Representative Rafaela David called the senator judge 18-5 vote an abandonment of their constitutional mandate. Oh, ganyan na lang kayo. So, let the people decide kung mali yung 18 senators. Maghintay sila ng 2028. Let the people decide kung sinong mali, sino ang tama. Okay, salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin dito is pang tulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng mga libreng yero at pako para magkaroon ng mas disenteng bahay itong tribong Talandig. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Salamat kayo. Kung sa aning asin sa labos sa karan sa Ginoo. Ay nakabalay na gyud.
Karon kada. Kitchen kada basta ini.
Hindi nga po. Salamat gid kayo sa tanan nga karon nga pagkabuaning sin nakauman na gid ko.
Oo.
O salamat sad sa nag-sponsor ani nga nakapakauman na gid ko sa akong balay kay na atupan na gid.
Oo, so salamat kaayo.
O salamat sa tanan.
Oo.